Meet Muhammad al-Andalusi, the founder of Andalus Institute.
Muhammad al-Andalusi.
Muhammad al-Andalusi's travels have turned into yearly six-figure sales, traveling in...
The founder of Andalus.
We just crossed six figures last month.
Okay, now I know how to get a business to $1 million.
I made $10,000 that month. And since that month, it never went down.
Success looks bright from far away, but from up close, it's not that simple. And that's the hidden cost of success.
Hello?
Hello. So sorry to call you this early, Muhammad. You said to not call you except for emergencies, right?
Mm-hmm.
Well, we have a problem right now, and if you don't fix it, we're not making no sales today.
I mean, yeah, I have my Qur'an in a few minutes.
Yeah, I saw on your calendar, but it really needs to be fixed right now.
Yeah.
So, could you fix it?
All right. All right, cool.
Oh, all right. You gonna get it done?
Yeah, I'll take care of it.
Oh, man. Yeah,
Right.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
When I was 25 years old, I had this goal of mine, which was to make $1 million. How to get where I want to get. So, which is become a millionaire before 30. And if it sounds big, you guys, if you read the book, you guys understand like why my mindset is so set like this right now. And if you guys, if people think that you're crazy about that, then you're doing the right thing. Then you're doing the right thing.
He's a guy who basically set himself a goal to make $1 million, I think within a year. And the reasoning behind that was so that he could study Islamic studies full time, and so that he could support his family. And he'd done that.
That's the only thing I had in my mind. I was just being deported from Egypt at the end of 2017. I didn't know what I was going to do. I was just confused about my future. And at that moment, I just wanted to go all in business. And I just wanted to make $1 million. At the end of 2023, Alhamdulillah, I had accomplished this goal to make $1 million. And I realized that I had lost a lot of my mental health. I had lost family ties. I had caused stress in many people in my life. And more importantly, I had lost a very close relationship with Allah Azza wa Jal through the Qur'an. In 2024, I did take a very important decision, which was that for 3 months, I decided to go to the desert in Mauritania and not lift one finger, no work, only Qur'an for 3 months. And wallahi, I still don't have the words to express what he did to me, but outwardly, it made me get rid of my Instagram.
It's kind of like the person I'm trying to become wouldn't have an Instagram account.
Which had 70,000 plus followers, and it was verified, and it was making me money. I don't sleep on a bed anymore.
Anyways, what I meant is that this feels weird. An actual bed.
Bro, you get really close to the Qur'an. You get really close to the Qur'an for a month. Then you come to these ends of the world, Dubai and all this, like I feel like I want to sell this car. I feel like I want to sell this.
I want to get rid of my luxury car, and I actually refuse to make $1 million again. I felt the ethical responsibility to share with you guys how I had lost my most beloved thing, which was the connection with Allah Azza wa Jal, through the chase of success, and what was the hidden cost. I want to be vulnerable with you guys and show you, because on social media nowadays it's very easy to think that all of these people that you see and all of this success that you see is what you want. I will be hosting a live virtual event where I will be showing you guys in a 3 videos documentary like type of series. It's for free to join. So to make this more exciting, inshallah, and in hopes that Allah keeps some barakah in my wealth, I will be giving away $1,000 to one of you participants. Save your spot for this virtual event. Participate. I will see you guys on the 23rd. Yeah, go ahead and register down below.